Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find project key URL in Supabase. So let's get started. Open up Supabase and log into your Supabase account. Once you've logged in here, now choose the project for which you need the URL for. So for example, mine here, so I'll just select that. Click on the project to open it. Okay. Once you've opened it, now hover over your mouse to on your left side menu here so once you hover over to the home screen, then it will pop up all the menus here. Scroll down all the way down and hit on project settings here. Click on project settings. Once you're on the project settings page here, so here, once you're on the project settings page, scroll down again on your left side menu here. Scroll all the way down. Okay, scroll all the way down and you will see under configurations you will have this data API option here. Tap on the data API option, and when you click on the API options here under API settings, you will see your project URL, which is here. Okay, so you can simply now copy these, hit on the copy button, copy these and use it however you want to, and that's how you find it.